In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members on Microsoft Teams for iPhone. Whether you're managing a team for work or organizing a group for a special project, being able to seamlessly add team members is essential. Let's dive right into the steps to make sure you can easily bring others on board with your Microsoft Teams app for iPhone. Firstly, go ahead and open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll want to head to the App Store, search for Microsoft Teams, and install the app. Once the app is installed and running, you're ready to enter your account information. This involves simply providing your email and password tied to your Microsoft account. Keep in mind, if you're part of an organization, your team may have specific login credentials to use. As you enter your account details, click Next on your screen. This will move you along the login process. After that, you'll be prompted to tap on Get Started. Consider this the Texas two-step of getting logged in, quick and easy. Once you're set and ready, you'll find yourself landing on the Microsoft Teams homepage. It's a familiar space where you see various options, but today we are focused on one key area. Now on the homepage, look towards the bottom of your screen for the option labeled Communities. Go ahead and tap on it. This section is central to coordinating and managing your team effectively, so make sure you're in the right place. Once within the Communities section, seek out the option to invite members. This is the moment where we get to grow your team. Tap to select this option and watch as a search bar appears. Here, you'll get the opportunity to search for the members you wish to invite. You can search by typing their names or email addresses if that's more specific. Once you find the member you're looking to invite, it's as simple as tapping Invite. Sending out invites is a breeze, and it keeps everything neat and straightforward. And there you have it. You've successfully invited a new member to your team on Microsoft Teams using your iPhone. Whether it's for standing meetings, brainstorming sessions, or casual chats, having all the right people on board makes for a smoother collaboration process. Be sure to repeat these steps anytime you need to invite more members in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy teaming.